Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can mute any channel on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open Discord on your PC. After you have opened Discord, you need to log in and you will see this type of interface. You can see over here some of the groups and channels. Now I'm going to show you how you can mute it. Go over the channel or group you want to mute, right click on it, and you can see mute server. So there are options like for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, 8 hours and 24 hours. And there is a final option until I turn it back on. So if you click on it, the server will be muted until you mark it. So you can see that the server can be hidden as well. So you can click on hide muted channels over here, and you can see that the mute server option is over here. Go ahead and do this and you can see if you hover around it, it will be shown muted until this time. So I'm gonna give you another example. Right click on any server and you can see the unmute server option. If you want to unmute the server, go ahead and tap on it and the server will be unmuted. But if you want to mute it, just right click on it, hover around mute server and click on any of these timings. And if you want to hide the messages over here, you can click on this box over here. So guys, this is how you mute or unmute a channel on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.